Today I'm going to talk about how much we spent as a couple in the month of June in Germany. We have been using a free software that helps us track our expenses very closely, but to make a general overview of the entire month, I add the details to Google Sheets and I use it to track monthly spendings. On the sheet, I have each category mentioned on the left side, and on the right side, I have collected all the expenses belonging to that particular category in this month. Now let's look at it category-wise. In the first row, we have our warm rent, which includes our cold rent and the Nebenkosten like water and heating. All of this put together comes to around 100,000 euros each month for us. It also includes our garage. Next, we have the other bills, and this includes our Wi-Fi, our electricity bill, 2 SIM cards, one for each of us, and the radio fees that we have to pay for each month. And all of this put together comes to around 140 euros. Next, we have the groceries and toiletries costs put together. This is because we buy groceries also at some drugstores and some toiletries also at grocery stores. All of this put together came to around 390 euros for the month. We cook mostly at home, so we do have a lot of grocery costs, and we also buy a lot of things from DM. The next one is eating out. So this was a bit expensive for the month of June because we had some meetups and we had to take part in that. Overall, it came to around 301 euros. But we like to go out and eat. We don't do it very often, but we like to go out and eat, and we enjoy our dinners outside. So once in a while, we do go out, and it's just that 300 is a bit too expensive compared to our usual eating out costs. The next category I have is home needs, which includes gadgets, furnitures, and stuff like that for our home. We did not buy anything in the month of June, so it's zero. And then comes miscellaneous activities, which includes social life and sports. We did go out a bit in June, and we also played some sports thanks to the good weather. We also used the swimming pools here, so all of this put together and a little bit of sport equipment costs, all of this came to around 104 euros for the month of June for both of us. Health-related costs were way more than usual this month because we had to do some scans that were not covered by our insurance. And we also had to buy some medicines which were not reimbursed by our medical insurance. So all of this came to a high cost. And we also include our gym subscriptions here, both our subscriptions. So that's almost around 50-60 euros. Everything put together came to around 430 euros in the month of June. Next, we have the insurance costs. So we pay for legal insurance, liability insurance, and travel health insurance. This is for both of us together. And we pay this actually once in a year, like a lump sum. But I like to divide it by 12 and keep an estimate for each month so that I know how much money is going into it. So I did that calculation, and it's usually around 70 euros each month. That stays the same for the entire year. So it's 70 euros once again for the month of June. And then there are 4 categories for which we spend on our own from our personal account. We don't spend it together. So here you will only see the costs incurred from my side. And most of the times these are probably not incurred on my husband's side at all. But even if it does, he pays on his own. So for donation, I donated around 40 euros this month. And then I bought a Deutschland ticket for the month of June. So that costed around 63 euros. Because of the weather, I also wanted a new pair of sandals, which I bought for 15 euros this month. And usually I buy some personal care products or cosmetic products each month. But I didn't buy anything this month in June, so it was zero. So the total cost for the month of June for both of us has come to around 2,653 euros, which is